Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming why the wallpaper is locked. Open Settings and search for Device Admin, or go to Biometrics and Security, right arrow Other Security Settings, right arrow Device Admin Apps. Once located, disable the Device Policy Controller or any admin app that prevents wallpaper edits. This revokes the enforcement. If the device shows a work profile or enterprise management, make sure you have permission. Don't remove policies if it's a company phone without clearance. Once done, you can attempt a wallpaper change immediately. Next, address Managed Profiles and Mobile Device Management. Go to Settings, right arrow Accounts and Backup or Users and Accounts and find a work profile. Turn it off or remove it if you own the device. If an MDM, Mobile Device Management, app is present, uninstall or deactivate it only if you have authority. That often restores wallpaper control. If unsure, boot into safe mode to see if third-party admin apps are enforcing the restriction. Make sure to back up data before removing profiles or apps. Finally, reboot the phone to clear policy caches, then open Settings, right arrow Wallpaper, or use the gallery to set your new image. This should now work. If the option remains grayed out, verify Android Enterprise or device owner status. Those are root-level controls that only IT can change. As a final troubleshooting step, back up your data and perform a factory reset if the device is personally owned. Otherwise, contact your administrator. If anything goes wrong, restoring the MDM or re-enrolling the work profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.